Hey, hi. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through TradingView App. We're going to see what you can do and what you can't do. How do you do trading? Is it worth it to upgrade to the premium, or you can use the basic? Okay. Now, a few years ago, I was using a certain stock app, but it didn't have detailed. It didn't have in-depth view of the charts. Okay, so that's when I discovered about this app. In this app, the charts are smooth, accurate, and full of useful indicators and tools. Real-time alerts, watch lists, and market analysis helps you a lot in your trading decisions. Okay, now if you're a trader, TradingView should be on your list as your charting software. Okay, now let me take you through what you can do in this app and how it looks. This app on Android, they also have a desktop software, so you can use it on your PC, but for me, I've been using their software. Okay, I've never used the desktop. TradingView, I believe, is one of the best chatting tool out there. Okay, if you haven't used it, you have to try this out. Okay, you understand when I say it's one of the best chatting tools out there. Chats are fast, customizable, and packed with indicators. As we're going to see, you get live data on stocks, okay, on crypto, forex, plus a solid community for sharing ideas. Okay, all in one app. The free plan is great for starters. Actually, I'm using the free plan. When you come to, I'm using the basic. Okay, so this is the free plan. Okay, so you can use the app for free, by the way. Paid plans unlock more chats. Okay, you unlock more alerts, and there are no ads, but they are pretty, but they are kind of pricey. So bottom line is this is perfect for analysis and back testing, less so if you just want to execute trades. Okay, so we're going to really see, by the way, if you want even to execute trades, what you do. When you open the app, you start on a watch list. Okay, this is how the app looks. As you can see, it organizes your major global indexes like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, plus currency indicators like the US dollar index, and individual stocks like Apple and Tesla, right? You can actually scroll even down here, down. The three dots at the top left, okay, this gives you quick shortcuts. You can create alerts for entire watch lists, reorder your list, or view relevant market views tied directly to your saved instruments. Okay, so let me go to the charts. Tapping over to the chart tab, you get full candlestick charts with real-time price updates. You can easily switch time frames, add custom drawing tools, load technical indicators, or view volume metrics at the bottom. All right. Yep, looks like this. Then there's Explore tab. You get full candlestick charts with sorry, on the Explorer, it gives you an instant market heat map. Okay, showing major indexes, market trends, top news stories, economic calendars, and broker connections all in one place. You can check out like the news, the calendar, brokers, okay, all that stuff. Okay, so that's the Explorer tab. They have a community. People are sharing some ideas, so it can really help you out. Okay, now let's look at the trading. If you want to do the trading, okay, now you have to understand, let me first go back. You have to understand that in TradingView App, they don't support direct order execution for integrated brokers, both on their desktop side and directly inside the mobile app. Now, if you want to trade, this is how it works. Okay, if your broker has an official partnership with TradingView, as we're going to see, for example, Interactive Brokers, Webull, on OANDA, forex.com, Binance, etc. You can connect your brokerage account directly under the menu, this menu, as we're going to see, okay? And Then you can buy and sell directly from the charts without actually crossing the gap. All right. If your specific broker is not on trading view list of official partners, you cannot link them directly. So in that case, you have to use TradingView to analyze your charts and then open your broker separate app to manually press the trade. We're going to see how this is done. Okay, so TradingView absolutely supports direct trade execution, but only if your broker is one of the integrated partners. So how do you access the integrated brokers on this app on the mobile? Okay, you're going to go to chat. Okay, you're going to go on chat. Then there is this three dots icon on the bottom right. Okay, I leave around this menu. This menu won't actually bring what you want. You click on the three dots on the bottom right. Okay, and so let's click on them. All right. So this will launch the brokers list where you can select your preferred broker or tap paper trading to practice and log in. All right. So yeah, so you just have to tap the big button highlighted trade with your broker here. Okay, so this will launch the broker. This will open the list of supported brokers and paper trading where you can log in and start executing trades directly on the app. So I'm seeing paper trading is a markets, TradeStation, OKX, Fusion Markets, Capital.com, IC Markets, Paperstone, Gate, Ninja Trader, FX Pro, Tickmill, Derivative, CMC Markets, Active Trades. Binance is here. Okay, I was using actually Binance. All right. So yeah, basically that's how you can try to do trading within here. So you need there's actually need a broker. I think if you don't see a broker, you have to kind of click on that. So if your broker is not here, you may not really do a lot. Okay. So that's what I can say. And there is this plus here. Okay, under the watch list, it allows you to search for any asset class globally and add or remove instruments from your active watch list. Okay, so maybe here at the search, let me type, what can I type? Let me type, okay, EURUSD, all right. So there, let me try out the Tesla. All right, so that's what actually can do. You can try to just from there. You can also use the tabs like all stocks, funds, okay, to narrow down your search results if you want to. Okay, so let me know what you may want to let me know what you think about this video, and if you're interested in more app reviews for trading like this, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be doing so many apps that I've come across and also that have used myself on my journey. Okay, see you, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye-bye.